Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you 3 amazing Samsung features that you can't miss. Turn them on now. The first one is the PIN application. When you open the recent application and tap on the app icon, you can find the PIN app option. If you can't find it, you need to enable this feature. Using this PIN app feature, you can access only specific application on your device. If you want to give your phone to your child or any family member on only access the specific application, this is the best feature to enable it. To enable it, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Here you can see the search bar. Here you can search for the PIN app or scroll down until the security and privacy. Tap on it. Now again scroll. Here you can see the more security settings. Tap on it. Now here the option allow apps to be PIN option. So tap on it. By default you can see turn off the toggle button. So toggle on it. Now here you can see when the app is PIN, the PIN app may open other app and personal data may be accessible. So let's see with the example. Now swipe up and hold to open the recent application on your Samsung device. Now here we access only Flipkart application. So tap on the app icon. Now you can see the option in this app on your Samsung device. So tap on it. Now app pin on your Samsung device. You can see message app is pin. To unpin the app, swipe up and hold. So tap on OK option. Now you can only access this Flipkart on your device, like search anything on the Flipkart application on your device. When you try to go back, you can't go back until unpin the application. So you can see message unpin this app, swipe up and hold. So this is the very helpful feature if you want to give your phone to your child or any friends or patient or family member and secure an important data or private photos. So to unpin the application, swipe up and hold. Now you can see app is unpinned. Now unlock your device only one time, and now when you try to go back, you can go back to your home screen. So quite easy to enable app pin on your Samsung device. Second one is the stop ads. When we open the any, like we open Google Chrome on my device, or you can use the Samsung internet browser, and when you open any website, you can see the different ads available. Now here you can see the list of different ads. When you scroll down here, you can see the advertisement. At the bottom you can see advertisement. Sometimes that will annoying you. So if you want to stop these annoying ads, when you search for the web browser on your Samsung device, you can easily stop it by going to settings on your device. At the top you can find the connection option on your device. Now scroll down. At the bottom you can see the more connection settings. Tap on it. Now tap on a private DNS. Here you can see by default set the automatic. So it will use the recommended secure DNS server. Now here you need to select the private DNS provider host name and enter this same host name dns.edgard.com on your Samsung device. That will helpful to stop the ads when you browse the Samsung internet browser or Google Chrome browser. That annoying ads automatically stop. So tap on the save. After add, make sure select the private DNS provider hostname as the dns.edgard.com. Tap on the save option. Now again go to the browser, like here we open this. Now just now you can see refresh the button and you can see you can't see the ads. It will automatically remove the ads from your Samsung device. So this is the very helpful feature if you annoying while browsing the internet and see the different ads on your screen. So this is the second feature, and the last one is the most helpful for the security reason of your device. That's called the auto blocker. You need to enable this feature by go to settings on your device, scroll down until the lock security and privacy, tap on it. Now scroll down and you can find the auto blocker in the additional security setting. Keep your phone safe by blocking threats and other suspicious activity. So tap on it. In the auto blocker, you can see the list of different settings that will helpful. Auto blocker helps keep you safe from security threats, suspicious activity, and privacy risks. So first of all, toggle on this option to enable auto blocker on your Samsung device. Now first is the block apps from unauthorized source. So if you want to download any application from the APK file or any other file authorized source without authorized source like a third party application, that will automatically stop because it will find the malicious application sometimes. So it will helpful to block the app from the unauthorized source. You can only download from the Play Store or Galaxy Store using this feature. Second one, the block command by USB cable. So if you have any malicious charger or computer and other device, it will automatically stop the USB cable when you connect using your phone to PC. That will automatically block the commands by the USB cable. Blocks malware images in messaging apps. So when you receive a message with an image that's suspected of containing malware, the image will be blocked to keep you safe. So if someone send you images or photo from the text message application, it will automatically block if that find that image is the content the any malware or suspicious activity on the image. Blocks non-official software updates. So if you it would also prevent the installation of a system software that hasn't been certified by the Samsung. So it will only install the officially Samsung software update on your Samsung device. Otherwise, it will stop it automatically. So this is the all important settings you need to access only by enable the auto blocker on your Samsung device. So make sure this feature is enabled. That will helpful to secure your phone from the suspicious activity or a malware or any threats on your Samsung device. So this is the all three amazing Samsung feature you must turn on. That's it. Which is your favorite feature from this list? Please comment in the below box. That's it. Will like it, share it.